Hey guys, welcome back. It's Andrew at Terrytown RV. We are inside the world's largest warehouse here in Grand Rapids, Michigan. And today I have the honor of talking about one of my favorite floor plans. If I was gonna go for a couples camper, this would be the one. I love the look of it. I love the build of it. Everything about it just kind of speaks to me, and maybe it'll speak to you. So what we're looking at today is the 2022 Heartland North Trail 25 RBP. So I love this front nose cap look to start it right out. I think it looks very aggressive. I like that they kind of have a wilderness look to it, but this is good protection for the front. And moving right down the side, something that they do that not a lot of other companies do, this is an Asdel sidewall. So it's quieter, better insulation, and it's never gonna mold, mildew, or warp. And they do that not only on the outside, but they do it on the inside of these 2-inch thick block foam insulation walls. Moving right down, they do their Kong size storage. This is a huge door. So you're gonna be able to get all of those big zero gravity chairs, those big rocking chairs they're making now for camping, and your spare tables and everything like that. Also, you've got electric tongue jack, you have electric stabilizer jack, so it makes really easy setup, along with this huge awning on the side here. Moving right down, you have the awesome wide track suspension that's better for holding the weight of the coach, but it's also good for, it tracks better going down the road, so you're not gonna get as much sway and bounce and stuff like that. Coming standard with your solid step stairs. Also, for a couples camper, it is rare, but it does have an outdoor kitchen. So this is prep space. You've got your mini fridge, and then it comes with a hang-on grill as well. Right around the back, just to take a quick peek, it does have an outdoor hot and cold shower. A really nice feature for rinsing off your feet. Maybe you do want to get in touch with nature and shower outside. So walking right inside here, this is what makes this my favorite floor plan. I just love that it has a half dinette with chairs. Gives you kind of the best of both worlds. And then look at this awesome sofa. It is overstuffed as well, which makes it very comfortable with kind of a chase lounge. And this does pull out for an additional bed and sleeping. So you see in here the colors, everything. It has the butcher block style print on your one-piece countertops. None of that T-molding there. And then right when you come in, you have your bathroom to the rear. And they do a really cool barn door here. And you have dual sinks. You have awesome storage up top, plenty of lighting. Your toilet's in a good position so you're not crushed. You also have good linen storage and a huge shower. So as you come in, beautiful setup. You've got room for a TV over here on this wall that you can put a bracket so it'll move over and swivel. Nice bar top countertop here with extra prep space. 3-burner grill, tons of prep space, deep stainless steel sink. And then their doors look really nice with the glass on them. And then they have hidden hinges as well. And then they have tons of drawer space, which a lot of people will complain about. And those are roller ball, so they are full extension. And then right across, you've got a huge pantry, really deep. And then you have a really nice size 12-volt refrigerator. This is actually bigger than the competitors. This is a nice size, Everchill, very good consumption. As far as battery consumption, it's not going to wipe you out in one day like a lot of the other brands. So walking in, you have an extra wide door. They are doing an actual king size bed. So regular king size sheets, and this is gel infused. This is one of the nicer mattresses that I ever see in an RV. You've got great overhead storage, some hanging space, and then right here around the corner, when you close that door, you have a nice place to put a TV with some extra hidden storage behind. And then you have some great extra storage here too for hanging and everything else. Overall, I just love this floor plan, and you might too. So come check it out down here at Terrytown, or give me a call. Again, my name is Andrew, 616-302-3552. Hopefully we can make your dreams come true down here. Give me a call. Thanks.